In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your crypto charts to the public feed. We'll walk through a simple, step-by-step process that will help you share your insights with the world on platforms like TradingView. So grab your cup of coffee, settle in, and let's dive in. First things first, you want to customize your chart. This is where you can really let your personality and insight shine, as it allows you to add various indicators or drawings that enhance the information your chart provides. Doing this not only makes your chart more informative, but more visually compelling as well. Take your time to play around with the customization options until your chart reflects your analysis perfectly. Now, once your chart looks splendid, the next move is to click on Indicators on your TradingView interface. This will open up a suite of analytical tools you can apply to your chart. Indicators are essential because they help you signal important market trends and provide a deeper understanding of the data you're presenting. One particularly useful indicator is the Bollinger Bands. By clicking on Bollinger Bands, you're choosing one of the most popular technical analysis tools utilized to measure market volatility and identify overbought or oversold conditions. This step is crucial for giving additional context to your observations. With your chart perfectly customized and augmented with insightful indicators, it's time to share it with the world. To do this, head over to the Publish option, usually found at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking it will take you to the next step of making your analysis public. Once you select Publish, you'll be prompted with another option. Publish Idea. This is your gateway to share your chart and thoughts with a larger audience. Here's where you'll start the process of explaining your insights to those interested in the crypto market. Now, it's important to add an engaging title and a short explanation. This is your chance to draw people in and make them curious about your analysis. The title should be catchy yet informative, summarizing the essence of your analysis, while the explanation gives potential viewers a snapshot of what makes your chart unique or valuable. After that, select appropriate tags. Tags like BTC, ETH, and Trendline are crucial. They help categorize your idea, making it easier for others within the TradingView community to discover your work. Choose tags that directly relate to your analysis to ensure you reach the most relevant audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only customized and enriched your chart, but also set it up for broader visibility. With just a few clicks, your insights are ready to be shared with the global crypto community. This process not only enhances your own understanding of market trends, but also contributes to the collective wisdom of all things crypto. Happy charting!